Alright, how's it going, everyone? And welcome back to another tech unboxing. It's been a little while since I have actually done a tech unboxing, or a video in general, so thank you guys for sticking with me. But anyway, got this camera for live streaming on Twitch. This is a HD 1080p web camera, and it's got a LED light bar on it, and we are going to be unboxing this today, and then I will also show the features here at the end. But yeah, I will show this on the actual monitor. I will get it set up, show it to you on Streamlabs, and I will also show you the LED light bar that is on it. But anyway, we got touch control, and as I said, we got the built-in LED light. So this is actually a lid, so I will take the lid off of it, so I will do that here in a bit. But we do have 360 horizontal rotation. We got the HD lens, we got the plug and play, this is USB, and then we got the dual mic, which I will not be using because I have a standalone mic, the Toner TC30, so I do not need the microphone for this, but we'll see how well this does. But as I said, I'm going to be live streaming using this camera on Twitch. Go check me out on Twitch. The Twitch link will be in the description if you want to see me actually live stream and use this. So here's some more information. Yeah, this is the Tecknet camera. So let's go ahead and get this open. We do have one tape at the bottom. I already cut it, so I just have to take this off. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so turns out there were two different tapes on the box. Anyway, very nice compact packaging here. We got the user manual for the camera itself. It's just lying up here on the top. Looks like a register your Tecknet product for 3 years for free. I think that's a warranty, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Here's the webcam itself, and we should have some cables here, right? Yep. We have the USB cable. I believe this is a 5-foot USB cable, I'm pretty sure. Should be around 5 feet, is what I was told. That could be wrong. Don't take me so seriously, but... Okay, so... it's in the package. Kinda just... the package is already open, so... kinda just slide it out. I'm using one hand, so... give me a second. Alright, here it is in all its glory. I actually had to take a little lens protector off of the lens itself. I like that they had a lens protector on it. Anyway, here's what it looks like. It's a Type-C port. And this is the model TKCA001, and I believe that is the microphone, I believe. And then we have the touch control on the top. You just touch it with your finger, and that will, depends on how many times you touch it, and that just changes the brightness of the LED light bar itself. So let me go ahead and get this thing set up, and we'll see how it works. See you guys then. Alrighty, folks. So yes, I understand this is kind of a short video, but I just wanted to unbox this webcam that I'm going to be using for my live streams. And check out my live streams, because now I finally have a webcam. So I'm going to actually enlarge this so you guys can actually see. It's currently set to the highest FPS. So this is currently the highest FPS possible. As you can see, my finger's moving. That's how fast the frames per second is. So, hello guys. Oh man. Anyway, yeah, this is the Tecknet webcam, and this is what it looks like on the Streamlabs OBS software. The mic quality is just coming out of my Toner TC30 mic, which is right here, by the way. So it's not actually the quality coming out of this, but this does have a microphone on it. And if you don't have good lighting, you can it has 3 different modes, or you can just have it off. But yeah, guys. There's the highest mode. Yeah, guys. It's gonna be everything for me. I know it was kind of a short one, but yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed that, a little unboxing. Hopefully I will like this new camera. I really am hoping I'm going to like it. Anyway, guys, that's it. So I'm gonna roll the outro. And yeah. Check me out on my Twitch account. And also, if you feel generous, maybe consider donating to my PayPal account, which I will have linked in the description. Anything really helps with that. I do appreciate all of you for watching this, and everyone that donates, I appreciate it. Here is what it looks like one last time. Anyway, guys, that's everything from me. Stay epic.